everyone, this is Ben with Hotsy Equipment Company, your Midwest leader in pressure washer sales and service, proudly serving Nebraska, Southwest Iowa, and Northern Kansas. February is a month of love and adoration. To show you our appreciation, we've got some special gifts just for you. The first item on sale for the month of February is the Hotsy Single Head Brush. The Hotsy Single Head Brush has firm bristles with soft, frayed tips. The bristles are strong enough to hold up to tough scrubbing, but soft enough for a scratch-free finish on your painted surfaces. The Hotsy Single Head Brush is regular price $54.95, on sale for $39.99, and it comes in your choice of red, yellow, or blue. Our next February special is the Mr. Longarm 3 to 6 foot extendable pole. The 3 to 6 foot pole is the perfect companion to the Hotsy Single Head Brush. The 3 to 6 foot working length gives plenty of reach, control, and leverage over tricky wash sections like wheels, windshields, and roofs. While twist to tighten extendable poles lose their hold over time, Hotsy's push button poles ensure a hold that you can count on. If your push button never breaks, Hotsy Equipment Company has a supply of repair kits at the ready. The Mr. Longarm 3 to 6 foot extendable pole is normally $56.10, but it's on sale for $29.99 all month long. Time to find out what Mr. Bear brought us this February. It's Hotsy Pump Oil. Hotsy's mineral-based, non-detergent oil is the perfect choice for keeping your pressure washer's pump running smooth. Hotsy recommends changing your pump oil after your first 25 hours of washing, and then every 300 hours or 3 months after that. Hotsy Pump Oil usually runs $15.36 per quart, but you can get it for $9.99 during the month of February. Our final gift for the month of February is Hotsy's powerful degreaser, Carbonate. Carbonate is the ideal choice for cleaning greased up engines or machine parts and is completely safe to use on painted vehicles with caked on road film. Carbonate can be applied through your pressure washer soap injection system, foamed on with a Hotsy foam cannon, or scrubbed on with your new Hotsy Single Head Brush. Take 20% off any size quantity of Carbonate all month long. Fall in love with our exciting specials and maybe even a new Hotsy pressure washer during the month of February. For more information on the products you've seen here or to schedule your free demo, visit hotsyequipment.com. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on Facebook to be notified when more become available. Thanks for watching, and remember, nothing cleans like a Hotsy.